I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust steering box on Dodge Ram full guide. Begin by safely raising and supporting the truck, chocking wheels, and disconnecting the battery. Locate the steering box and pitman arm, mark the position, then loosen the pitman arm nut and inspect for play before adjusting the sector shaft with correct tools and torque specifications to restore proper steering engagement. Before you begin, collect necessary tools like a heavy-duty puller, adjustable wrench, torque wrench, breaker bar, and feeler gauges, plus penetrating oil and thread locker. Review the vehicle service manual for torque and shim specifications, and inspect steering linkage for worn components that should be replaced. Work on a level surface, chalk rear wheels, and keep a helper nearby to assist with steering checks and test drives after adjustments. Quick moment for an ad break. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more hands-on tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, repair playlists, and keeping reference audio while your hands are busy. Check the video description for the product link and other deals to save time. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening the pitman arm nut and using a heavy-duty puller to remove the pitman arm while preserving orientation marks. Measure play and set sector shaft per load or add shims as specified. Reinstall the pitman arm, torque to manufacturer specs, and reattach linkages. Cycle the steering to check for binding, then perform iterative small adjustments until play is eliminated and steering is centered. Complete with a careful road test and final torque verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.